Adobe Spark provides templates and graphics so you can create visually appealing flyers or online posters. Go to spark.adobe.com to begin and choose Login with Google. We have a Pro or Enterprise account with upgraded features, so select Enterprise ID so you have access to all the bells and whistles. From your Spark dashboard, click the blue plus and choose Flyer. You'll get a blank canvas, but there are a variety of templates that you can choose to start with and customize. Templates can be searched by keyword. Sometimes using a template is a really big time saver, but only if it's got the right basic framework for what you need. Otherwise, it's going to end up taking you a lot more time to try to adjust the template to fit in all the elements you want. If you like a template, but you need a few more boxes, use the layout option to make your changes now. If you're not very far into your planning and are not quite sure at all what you're really going to need, I suggest going back and just using a blank template or a really simple layout like this that will make it easy to add as many items as necessary. With my template, I'm limited to 3 primary main ideas. So if that's not going to work for this project, I would need to start with a blank layout or a different template. Before I start customizing my template for my project, I'm going to edit the title. And I'm also going to share my project with any collaborators by choosing the share button. Just enter the email address of your collaborators. Each will get an email inviting them to edit this project. But unlike Google, this is not simultaneous co-editing. It is tag team, one at a time can edit. So if one of your collaborators is currently editing, you'll get a message that you need to wait to be able to open the project. To change out the pictures on the template, just click on it and choose Replace Image, or you can just double click on the picture. Then you can search by keyword to enter something more relevant for your project. My existing image is portrait, so I'm going to look for one that is similar in orientation or size, but once inserted, you can click on it to adjust the picture scale and arrangement within the template cell. To change text, just double click on it, make any of your changes. When you're done, click Done, and then you can use the text styles options to change color, size, and other text attributes as needed. If you want to get rid of an item, just click on it and then choose a trash can. Since I am working with a template, I am prompted to delete the entire cell or just the content in it. If I do delete the cell, my format is really altered, so I'm going to click the undo button and instead elect to just remove the content because I want to put in several pictures in this spot, not just one. To add your own picture, click the Add button and choose Photo. Browse for your picture on your computer. And I recommend you choose Move Freely. To move a picture forward or backward in terms of layers, just choose it and adjust the order slider. Tools here on the right let you crop your image, adjust its opacity, and you can even remove the background. If you want to add in completely new text, just click Add and either choose Start from Scratch, or you can use an existing style that you like and make changes from there. Other tools that we see here along the right will let you change your template or simply shuffle up your design a bit without changing the content. But when it shuffles things around, you're probably going to end up needing to make a lot of changes. So again, I recommend making major layout adjustments before you get too far into adding content to your projects. You can use the Colors button to change your theme colors. The Resize option lets you make your canvas larger or smaller. And Spark is auto-saving as I go, so I can just click this Spark logo to exit so one of my collaborators can start editing. You can come back to your Spark dashboard at any time. You'll see your project listed here in Recent Projects, and you can open it up for re-editing as needed. When you're completely done, click Share and then publish. And you will get a link that you can turn in to your teacher. I don't really love the version that it sends to Google Drive, so if you want to save a copy or have a printable copy, I recommend you go back and choose the download option. Downloading it as PDF will allow you to save that to your computer or even directly to your Google Drive. And this gives you, I think, one of the nicest versions of your project to view and, of course, to print. Adobe Spark will give you some great templates and media so that you can quickly create items for a variety of your projects.